The flight of the steppe eagle. It is one of the most breathtaking sights you can ever see. This eagle makes its home in the Kazakh steppe. It is soaring up in the bright blue sky. Suddenly, it dives down. It reaches a speed of up to 120 miles an hour and returns to the falconer's hand. In its sharp claws, it carries a rabbit. Here on the Kazakh steppe, falconry is a way of life. It is a sport and a way of hunting that goes back over 10,000 years ago in Central Asian tradition. Falconry is so old it even came before the invention of writing. Genghis Khan, the 12th century conqueror of Central Asia and China, had lots of birds of prey. He had skilled falconers to take care of these magnificent birds. There are still hundreds of traditional Kazakh eagle hunters today. It is also very popular as a pastime with young Kazakhs who want to take up something traditional. There are lots of schools of falconry in Kazakhstan. There are sanctuaries with breeding programs for endangered birds of prey, such as the Saka falcon. Peregrine falcons and northern goshawks are also common birds for falconry, but the steppe eagle is the most popular. This impressive bird has a 6-foot wingspan and a proud gaze. It's no surprise that this noble creature is a symbol of Kazakh national identity.